Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to show navigation button on Poco M7 Pro. Alright guys, so yeah, for those of you who feel uncomfortable because of gesture navigation, don't need to be worried guys, because you can show the navigation button back to your screen so that it make it easier for you to traverse through the interface of an application or website. And how to do that is very easy. So yeah, without any further ado, now let's get started to the tutorial. Alright guys, so yeah, the first thing first that you have to do is now you can go to settings menu on your cell phone, and then now you can scroll down, and then now you can go to home screen guys. And then after that, now you can scroll down again and go to system navigation, and then after that, now you can change the system navigation to button, and then the button navigation will show up. Alright guys, so yeah, here's the tutorial, and then thank you so much for watching guys. Bye bye.